In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward entire conversation email chains in Outlook. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to send an entire email thread so your recipient gets every message and it's all neatly packaged in one email. Start by opening Outlook. To make sure the thread is organized correctly, turn on Conversation View. Go to the View tab at the top, select Show as Conversations, and choose either this folder or all mailboxes. This setting groups related emails automatically, so messages with the same subject and participants are threaded together. If you manage multiple accounts or folders, all mailboxes helps you catch conversations spread across your inboxes. Otherwise, this folder is perfectly fine. Next, locate the conversation you want to share. Click any message from that thread, then right-click it and choose Find Related, followed by Messages in this conversation. Outlook will filter your view to show the full thread, making it easier to grab everything in one go. This step is especially helpful if parts of the conversation are in different time ranges or if you've moved messages around. The filter brings them together for you. With the conversation displayed, press Ctrl+A to select all messages in the thread. Now forward them. You can click Forward on the Home tab, or press Ctrl+F. In Outlook, Ctrl+F is forward, not find, so it's a quick shortcut. Outlook will automatically attach each selected message to a single outgoing email, usually as individual .message files. This preserves original senders, timestamps, formatting, and headers, so your recipient can open each message exactly as it was received. In the new email window, add your recipients, update the subject to make it clear you're sending the full thread, and include any context in the message body, such as why you're sharing the conversation or what to look for. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive one email containing the entire conversation as attachments, making it easy for them to review or file the thread without missing anything. A couple of quick tips as you do this: Conversation View ensures nothing slips through the cracks, so keep it on while you prepare the forward. Also, very large threads or messages with big attachments can bump into mailbox size limits, so keep an eye on the total size before sending. That's it. Thanks for watching.